Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So recently I visited trade fair. जितना मैं वहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड कर पाई, जितनी चीज़ें मैं कैप्चर कर पाई, that I will show you. So let's begin with the video. As you can see, there are many decorative items and basically they are selling the nameplates that we usually use at our doors. So yeah, these nameplates were ranging around 2500 to 4000, I guess, and yeah, they were beautiful, so you can customize them according to your choice. These are beautifully crafted wooden showpieces and they were looking really amazing. The swastik which you can see behind on that wall is for rupees 1100. Now you can see the beautiful sticks of flowers. You can see the footwear here is for rupees 350 each. So the first 10 rows for rupees 450 and the rest were of rupees 650. The 651 were embellished with pearls and gotapati work and thread work, and 451s were normally designed. As you can see, there were many designs and the jutis were beautiful. Now you can see the bangles, colorful bangles and clutch bags. See this clutch, this is so pretty. So the prices for all the items were different, so I can't mention all the prices as I didn't ask him anything, but for this runner he quoted 2000 rupees and it was embroidered with beads, so it was quite beautiful. So the lady is taking her power nap. So yeah, these paintings were really beautiful. As you can see, there were many beautiful paintings. In this stall you can see the chicken curry work. pants were looking amazing. The tall ones which you can see on the floor were of rupees 3000 and 3500 respectively, and the hangings were of rupees 1500, 2000, 2500, and so on. So you can use them as your home decor and they will look beautiful. So it was not allowed to shoot every piece over there, so I can just give you a glimpse of all the pieces. These are for rupees 8500. These are basically semi-stitched suits with shararas and skirts and plazos. So this row was basically for rupees 7500 for each piece, and they were comparatively light if we'll talk about the embroidery part and everything. So yeah, so these were the designer pieces. I really liked few of them. So as you can see here, I am trying a stole which you can wear in multiple ways. He's showing me the different way to wear a single stole. So yeah, this stole is really beautiful. The color, print, embroidery, everything was bang on. Now this is the different stole which is draping on me. So now he's showing me the another way of draping this stole, because one stole you can wear in many ways. I really liked the way they were looking on me, and the fabric was too good. The stole which I'm trying right now is for rupees 3500, and the black one which I tried earlier was for rupees 2500, and both of them were of amazing quality. These were the beautiful saris which are winter friendly. The fabric is warm and they were looking really amazing. The prints were so good, and he quoted 2500 for each sari. After the bargaining, he was ready to give that sari for 2000 rupees, and that was a good deal. these wooden lamps were looking really beautiful, and this yellow one is for rupees 3000. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I shall see you in my next one, because soon I will come with part 2, because it's impossible to cover all these stalls in one video. So till then, bye bye, take care of yourselves, and I shall see you in my next one. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.